To figure out how a text is organized, it's helpful to know a bit about the text structures that authors use. These are the 4 most common text structures, with examples of how each might be used in a text. The first one is cause and effect. Cause and effect explains how an activity or event leads to something else happening. For example, an article explains how cutting down trees in the rainforest has led to the loss of habitat for many rainforest animals. The second one is compare and contrast. Compare and contrast structure explains how things are alike and or how they're different. For example, an article that would explain how cats and dogs are alike and different. Readers can then decide which pet is right for them. The third text structure is called problem and solution. Problem and solution explains a problem and then attempts to solve the problem. For example, an article that describes the problem of trash washing into the ocean and how people are trying to stop this problem. The fourth and final text structure that we're going to talk about is chronological order or sequence. Chronological order or sequence explains events in the order in which they happen. For example, a biography of Harriet Tubman, which tells the important events in her life in the order in which they happened.